So this is our Bitterleaf Gizzard fish Egusi soup.
Yeah, Eunice in the house. Yeah, Yummies. London streets where the hustle never stops. Eunice on the grind, she's got the agile chops. From coding teams to EATA flight, she's the queen of travel, shining those bright lights. Visas, passports and destinations galore. Eunice got you covered, that's for sure. From the UK to the US, Europe and beyond, she's the travel whisperer, waving a magic wand. Eunice, the globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Eunice, the globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Group tours, yeah, she's got the blueprint. Overseas vibes under the moon since school placements, conferences, events so grand. Eunice's expertise like golden sand. Relocation advice, she's a compass true, helping you navigate sky so blue. Pack your bags, grab your map, let's explore. Eunice rhythm with the beat of travel's core. Eunice, the globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Eunice's social game, it's a non-stop talk. She's the influencer, the storyteller supreme, spreading wanderlust vibes like a vivid dream. The globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. The globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Imianvan-Taiwo keeps shining bright. Your Afro hip-hop trend takes flight. As a coach by day, travel maven by night. Eunice, you're the rhythm, the melody, the light. Eunice in the house, keep shining bright. Oh, your Afro hip-hop journey takes flight. At your coach by day, travel maven by night. Eunice, you're the rhythm, the melody, the light. Yeah, Eunice in the house. Yeah, Yummies. London streets where the hustle never stops. Eunice on the grind, she's got the agile chops. From coding teams to EATA flight, she's the queen of travel, shining those bright lights. Visas, passports and destinations galore. Eunice got you covered, that's for sure. From the UK to the US, Europe and beyond, she's the travel whisperer, waving a magic wand. Eunice, the globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Eunice, the globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian travel company amps up the amps. Group tours, yeah, she's got the blueprint. Overseas vibes under the moon since school placements, conferences, events so grand. Eunice's expertise like golden sand. Relocation advice, she's a compass true, helping you navigate sky so blue. Pack your bags, grab your map, let's explore. Eunice rhythm with the beat of travel's core. Eunice, the globe-trotting queen, vlogging her adventures, living the dream. From family getaways to student camps, her Nigerian.
So this is our Bitterleaf Gizzard fish Egusi soup. Guys, it's so delicious, and I like the bitter aftertaste. What do you think I should eat it with? You know me now, I will always go for oat swallow. What about you? What will you eat it with? Thanks for watching. Please follow me, comment, like, share this recipe. It might benefit some people. If you are watching on Facebook, hit the follow button. If you are watching on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.